Bowling is the action of propelling the cricket ball down the pitch toward the batter using a straight arm over-the-shoulder motion. Part of the bowler's front foot has to land behind the front line of what's called the popping crease. The bowler's aim is to get the batter out, whilst trying to restrict the amount of runs they score. Bowlers bowl in sets of 6 balls at a time, called an over. The bowling end rotates at the end of each over, meaning once a bowler has bowled 6 balls from one end, a teammate will then bowl an over from the other end. A bowler is not permitted to bowl 2 consecutive overs. There are a number of different bowling styles in cricket, with each requiring a different skill set. Fast bowlers or pace bowlers aim to deliver the ball with as much speed as possible, restricting the batter's reaction time.
Fast, straight, 155.5 k's.
But sometimes they'll deceive the batter and bowl the perfect slower ball. Swing bowlers are able to get the ball to swing through the air, changing the line of the delivery from the point at which it leaves their hand to the point it reaches the batter, making it difficult for the batter to judge the line of the ball. Both fast and swing bowlers will often try to make the ball land on its seam. If a ball hits the pitch on its seam, it can move sharply to the left or right, making it extremely difficult for the batter to hit. Spin bowlers deliver the ball at a slower pace, but they grip the ball in such a way that when released, a flick of the fingers or the wrist puts spin on the ball, causing it to turn at an angle when bouncing off the pitch. There are predominantly 2 types of spin bowlers: off-spinners and leg spinners. Right-arm off-spinners bowl the ball spinning from the left to the right. Leg spinners bowl the ball spinning from the right to the left. If they're left-handed though, naturally the direction of spin is mirrored to the opposite. All spin bowlers will have special deliveries in their armoury to deceive the batter, such as balls that will appear to the batter to be spinning one way but will actually spin the other way.
What brilliant bowling.
Bowling is as much about strategy as it is about skill, as the bowler attempts to outthink the batter with every delivery. The bowler will strategize with his captain about where to place fielders, and will then bowl balls that increase the chance of taking a wicket. The never-ending tussle for supremacy between bowler and batter is just one of the things that makes cricket such an engrossing sport.